Hey everybody, I'm Paul.
And I'm Gran.
This is Eclipse Tools News, a new segment we're going to be doing where we kind of introduce you to some new products and let you know what's going on at Eclipse Tools. What do we got today, Gran?
The first thing I'm going to show you is a brand new pipe saw. It's made with Japanese impulse hardened steel. Paul's going to show you something really cool about it.
So one of the main features of this is you can change the blade without using any tools. In this case, I'm just going to wrap a towel around the blade, protect my hand. Now with the teeth facing up, tap the handle against a table or other hard surface. Comes right up.
Awesome.
Now let's just assume this was a new blade you're going to install. Put it back into place. Now with the teeth facing down, tap it against the handle and it's back in place.
Just like magic.
Cool. What else we got?
We got some new Unilight stuff in. First, we're going to show you a work light with power bank.
So very bright sight light. It does go through different brightness levels you can toggle through, and then if you hold the button you go to red light, red emergency flashing, and as he mentioned it does have a charging port on there. That's the power bank, USB-C charging, so if you got cell phone or something like that you can charge it right through there.
Great for emergencies or on the job site. Here we have a couple sensor headlights. One has 325 lumens, the other has 475.
So yeah, these are both sensor headlights, so hands-free operation. Well, you use your hand, but you don't have to push a button. So again, very useful on a job site whenever you need it. You just swipe it on, swipe it off. We will be having a giveaway coming up on some Unilight flashlights. So stay tuned for that. We're going to announce some more details. It's going to be on Instagram, but we'll post on Facebook as well. So follow us on Facebook and Instagram if you haven't already, and we'll let you know how to win some cool Unilight flashlights.
Awesome.
Yeah.
I want to let you guys know that we're going to be closed the 24th and the 25th of December for Christmas. Also, I want to give a big shout out to our employee Cameron Baker for his 3rd year here at Eclipse, and he's got a birthday coming up.
Congrats, Cameron. Yep, we'll have links in all these for the description as well, so if you want to know more, just check them out. Thanks, guys.
Thanks.